Purity Pump Company realizes full chain independent production, ensuring high-efficient production capacity. Imported precision machine tools achieve independent processing of core components of electric motors. The copper wire winding and embedding processes strictly meet the accuracy standards. It produces pumps of all specifications, both large and small. Automated painting technology have a one-stop process. In the production assembly line, collaborative mode of manual assembly and automated equipment is adopted. Combined with the standardized quality inspection process, it ensures the reliability of components and the consistency of finished products. It precisely matches the production tempo, guarantees the supply-demand of water pumps,